In the previous video, we explained how to create an account on Paidera and get the first $50 for free. Today, we will explain how to work on the site and achieve profits of up to $700 per month. Didn't you believe it? It's okay because I will show you my account on PayPal and how much I have achieved during the last 2 months of this site. As you can see here, I made almost $910 in just 2 months. This is crazy. Now I will refresh the site to confirm that it is real and not a picture. As you can see, these are real. But before I start explaining how to work on the site and reap profits like mine, I hope that you will watch the first part of the paidera site because it contains very important information. And do not forget to subscribe and like the video to continue publishing more videos of this kind. Money for you, the path to financial freedom. As you can see, I made almost $500 in less than a month. This is insane. Let me show you how I got that. One of the ways I was able to collect this amount is by clicking on my referral link only. So as soon as 1,000 people click on my link, I get $3. Also, for every person who registers on the site via my link, I will get 10 cents and he will get half a dollar. This is the first method. It is very easy. Now let me show you the second method. Also, you can earn by completing surveys that do not exceed 10 minutes per survey. Also, you can earn by downloading applications and visiting websites from here. Also, in this list there are many ways that you can discover on your own. Now I will show you how to make a profit from surveys on the site. It didn't take me 3 minutes. I've finished the survey now. Review phase. I'll cut the video off because it takes a while. As you can see, I added almost $2 from a survey that took me literally 5 minutes. I think I explained the site enough. It's worth it. So if you want to use the site, you can find a link in the video description or search for it internet. Thank you for watching the video, and I promise you that the next video will be a completely new idea. Goodbye, and do not forget to watch this video.